Good afternoon. This afternoon I'm here on a compactor, basically a dumpster, exhaust fan. It's a brand new install. Not sure who installed it, but making a racket on the inside. You can see a lot of vibration. So we're gonna shut it down, take the cover off. Most likely it's a bent fan blade, piece of plastic, something in there. But anyways, that's this afternoon's job. Oh, good afternoon. I'm here working on an exhaust fan. I had to take the blade off to see where the vibration was coming from. This is a new install. What I find amazing is look how they did it. I guess they ran out of wire nuts, so they just figured, oh, we'll just tape it. And that's the line side. It's 115 volts. This thing was vibrating pretty good, as you could see in the other video. They didn't use no little red devils to go in there. They cut the MC here, or somebody did it, with the vibration, the way that was vibrating. Eventually, if you can see that, these wires right here, just going to cut right through there. So I'm going to take all this apart, and I'm probably just going to eliminate this, some type of a switch. I don't know if you can hear that. I don't know if it's an air switch. I'm not sure, but I just need 115, and that's it. And I'll try to see where the vibration was coming from. I think the fan blade looks okay, but anyways, that's this afternoon's job. You know, some people should not be allowed to install things. I mean, who does that? I mean, that's crazy. Anyways.